Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, let's dive deep into the buzz surrounding the highly anticipated iPhone 16. Beyond the flashy features and performance upgrades, we're here to answer the burning question: how much will this next-gen phone cost you? Stick around as we sift through the rumors and predictions about Apple's upcoming release. Hype of iPhone 16. Months before its grand reveal, the iPhone 16 is already causing a stir. Speculations abound regarding its design, screen size, and innovative AI capabilities. But amidst all this excitement, one question looms large: what about the price? Pricing trends. Let's rewind a bit. From the iPhone 12 to the 15, the base model has consistently started at $800, while the Pro variants have held steady at $1,000. However, there was a noticeable price jump with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, hitting $1,200 due to advanced features like a periscope lens for better zooming. Price changes. With inflation impacting costs across industries and hints of pricier components in new iPhones, the big question emerges: will Apple raise the price tags for its flagship devices? While we await official word, let's explore the speculations and insights we've gathered. Outro. That's a wrap for today's Future Phone Flash. Remember to hit subscribe and enable notifications for more tech news and insider scoops. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.